Make infused cinnamon oil with the Magical Butter Machine. Do this in hours, not weeks. I am ready to make some cinnamon infused oil. Now I'm not going to take weeks to make this. I'm going to make it in hours with the Magical Butter Machine. Now I'm using the standard ratio of 1:7, which is 1 ounce of your dried herb weighed to 7 ounces of your oil measured. Now, but because the Magical Butter Machine has a minimum of 2 cups, I'm doubling the recipe. So I have 2 ounces of dried cinnamon chips. Now, if you've never seen the cinnamon chips, you can find them online. If you don't have the cinnamon chips, you can use the sticks and crush them up, but do not use the cinnamon powder because it will be impossible to strain. Now, I have chosen to use avocado oil, and you can use whatever oil you prefer. Now, I've had trouble with coconut oil having a burnt smell to it when I use coconut oil, so I rarely ever use the coconut oil in here. And then I'm just going to add my cinnamon chips, put on my Magical Butter head, plug it up. I'm going to set this on 160 degrees, and I'm going to set it for 2 hours. Now, if this had been leaves or flowers, I would have gone with 130, but because this is bark, I am going to go with the 160. Now, we'll be back in 2 hours to strain it. The 2 hours are up, and now I have filtered my oil in my Magical Butter Machine filter or strainer. Now, if you're expecting a great cinnamon aroma from this, the oils just do not do it. But you can smell the cinnamon. And to this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vitamin E. And that is to keep my oil from going rancid. Now, I'm not going to cover this yet. I'm going to wait till I know that it is completely cool so that it doesn't, I don't want any condensation to get in here. I don't want any moisture in here. And when this has completely cooled, I'll put my lid on it. I may transfer it to a dark colored bottle. But I'm going to use this up pretty quick because I plan on making some cinnamon lotion and some cinnamon lip balm. Get more recipes and instructions for the newest and quickest way to make natural remedies and skincare in my book, Homemade Medicine and Lotions Made Easy Using the Magical Butter Machine. Now, I can easily take the cinnamon oil and make lip balm. It is as simple as melting beeswax with the cinnamon oil. The standard recipe is 1 to 5 for a soft salve or 2 to 5 for a lip balm tube. That is 1 part beeswax to 5 parts of the herb infused oil, or 2 parts beeswax to 5 parts of herb infused oil. A part can be a teaspoon, tablespoon, grams, or ounces. Now, once they're melted together, remove from heat and stir in your essential oils, fragrant oil, or flavored oil for the lips. The amount of essential oil or flavored oils you use will depend on the essential oil or flavored oil that you are using. When buying the essential oil of cinnamon, there is cinnamon leaf and cinnamon bark. Very small amounts of essential oil of cinnamon is used because it is irritating. We're talking about a drop. Now, I have 2 videos on making balms on YouTube, and you can put your TV on pause or your computer and get these links. I have one for lemon balm with St. John's wort. Then I also have one on homemade sugar scrub lip balm. Now, my next video will be doing a cinnamon lotion. And you might be an herbalist if you are making cinnamon infused oil. I'm Carolyn Gibson at Carolyn Gibson Herbalist. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss all of these recipes.